Hey, if you have any Bluetooth issues on your Redmi Note 13, you've got actually two methods how we can try to fix this. So first of all, go into the settings, then scroll to the connection and the sharing. Now scroll all the way down and select Reset Bluetooth. Now click on the reset settings, and if it doesn't work, you can additionally perform the factory reset of your smartphone by scrolling down, going into the additional settings, scrolling down again, and picking the factory reset. Now you will actually bring all of these default settings to your phone, and maybe it will help you. Maybe there's like another way you can actually try to reset your device. So you have to actually enter for some tutorials on the YouTube. You can also open my channel and search for your device name, because I've got also this tutorials for the earbuds, headphones and earphones. So you can also try to reset your device and then check if this issues appears again. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.